In this video, we will see how to print the words in a sentence line by line using substring function. That means we can print the words without using substring also. That I will show in another video. Okay. So here one variable is st1 to store the sentence. Then so data type is string. Then L to store the length of the sentence, that means number of characters in a sentence. T equal to 0, this is the variable to get the first character, that means first position of the each word. So first I initialized with 0. I will explain how it is using in the program. So T is the variable to store the position of first position of the first character. Okay, position of the first character. Then ch is the variable to store each character. Now we are going to input the sentence using next line. We are inputting the sentence. So next line is the function to input the sentence. If it is a word, we are using next function. Okay. Now this is one sample input. st1. Suppose st1 equal to computer. Computer is fun. Okay. So our program output should be first we have to print computer, the next line is, then fun. Okay. So here after each word there will be space, right? There will be space. So after computer there is space, is after is there is a space, but what about last word? Usually we are not giving the space after the last word. Okay. So here I am giving the condition, that means after each word there should be space. We have to give the condition also. For that I am adding one space after the sentence. So st1 equal to st1 plus space. Okay, for getting the last word. Okay, we added space. Then find the length. So what is the variable? L equal to st1. st1 is a string variable, length, length. Okay. Next we are going to see each character is in the position. Suppose C is in 0th position, O position 1, M 2, P 3, U 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8. Space is also it's a character. Space is also a character. It is in 8th position, right? Then after position, the next character is 9, then 10, 11, 12, okay, 13, 14. So our length is 14. Okay, that means we want to go through each character from 0 to 18, right? Okay, so length, suppose the length is 19, but character position start from 0. Okay, so give loop for int I equal to 0, then last character is in length I less than L, last character is in length minus 1th position, then I plus plus. Okay, now we want to take the character. Okay, so ch equal to character in each position, ch equal to st1 dot caret function we are supposed to use to get the character. Okay, in each position. Caret of I means suppose when I equal to 0, you will get a C, then and it become 1, you will get O. Okay, so getting the character in each position, you are giving caret function. So here the variable is I. So caret of I. Okay. Next, we have to check if the character is space. That means if the character is a space, we have to take the characters till space. Okay, that means the word we have to take till space. So ch equal to space. We are using substring function here. If ch equal to space, we have to print system dot out dot println what we want, st1 dot substring of t. T initial value is 0, so you will get a from the character c. Okay, when t equal to 0, you will get a substring of 0 means first character 0th position. Now c is there, comma till the first space. Okay, so substring function starting from the beginning, excluding the last position. Okay, starting from the first position, excluding the last position. So here, which position we are giving? We are giving the position of the character. So here ch equal to space means in ith position there is a space. So t comma I. That means we got the word computer. In the first iteration, we got the word computer. Okay, as per sample input. Next word is. Okay, so it is in which position? If the space is in ith position, the word is. I is in which position? I plus 1th position. So beginning we have to change. Okay, that means t we have to change into I plus 1. So t equal to I plus 1. Okay. Okay, next. Now program over. We have to close the for loop. Here give it the printing statement, system dot out dot println the words are okay. Just we have to give the printing message. Okay, now compile it. No error. Close, run it. Okay, now we are giving the output. Computer is fun. Okay, so the words are, first word is computer, and second word is, third word is fun. Okay,